How to create and sell digital products on Gumroad. My name is Subha, and in this video I will walk you through the step-by-step process of selling digital products on Gumroad. You can follow along me and create this very simple digital download. You create once and sell forever. For this tutorial I have created this very simple logbook. It's a password logbook. Let me show you. This is the front page. These are the title pages this book belongs to, and this is the copyright page, and this is the actual page repeated again and again. This is password logbook with tabs, so I have created very simple tabs for letter of the alphabet like A, B and C. This is the first page, this is second, third, fourth, and now I will repeat the same for letter B. Page is exactly the same, but only difference is the tabs. I have created this using PowerPoint. Let me show you. So this was the very simple tab here. I wrote letter A inside it, and then I added a table with 2 columns, and here I wrote website, username, password. I will also share a tutorial from my YouTube channel showing you exactly how to create this step by step. So this was the first page and this was the second page. The only difference is the tab is on the left hand side. In this way I've created this simple interior, then exported as PDF. I also exported as PNGs so that I can create covers. There are 2 cover files, 1920 into 1080 and then 1280 into 1280. I created using Canva very quickly. Let me show you. This is my cover for Gumroad, password logbook with tabs. I also added KDP logo here because I am selling this as template. And I also added PNG files to showcase the book interior. This was cover and this is our interior page as PDF. Now we are ready to sell this on Gumroad. To sell on Gumroad, you can create free account. You go to gumroad.com, then start selling, and here you can log in with Facebook, Google, or you can also sign up using your email and password, then click on create account, and then you need to add your bank information to get paid from Gumroad. I will make a separate video on that. So let's see the metadata or title or descriptions. You can use ChatGPT for that. This is my password tracker logbook interior ready to upload PDF with editable PowerPoint. So I was giving whole thing for KDP self-publishers. I created a zip folder. You can simply select these files, right click, add to archive, then you can select the zip and then click on OK. Now your zip folder is ready to go. All you need to do is create covers and then go to ChatGPT and to write title and description. You can create very simple title like this, password tracker. Let me copy everything here. I am going to recreate this. I will go to products and then add a new product here. Add title here. You should select the digital product. Scroll down, add pricing. For example, you want to sell it for $5 or $3. Let's suppose we are selling it for $5. Then go to customize. Here you should add your product description. I will go and copy mine. Then I will add the URL here. You can leave as is or you can set a custom URL like this one, and I will write 2 here so that it is different from my previous one. Then I can go and upload my covers here. Computer, this is my 1920 into 1080 main cover. This will appear here. Then I resize this one and created a 1280 into 1280 thumbnail. That is optional, but you should create that. So I will go and upload this one. Then you can go down and change the call to action, buy this, pay, or I want this. I always leave this as is. You can create a 1-line summary. This is the 1-line summary of what customer will get. This appears here. Create and sell professional password tracker logbook for adults and seniors. If you have additional details about your product, you can add here. Then you will also see the functions like integration. You can invite your customer to your Gumroad community. You can enable this, invite your customer to a circle or community, invite your customer to a Discord server. You have these options here. Then is the pricing. You can also allow customers to pay what they want. Just enable this. Allow customer to pay in installments. You can set the installments here. You can also apply a discount code here if you have previously created a discount via checkout page. You will see an option to create a discount on checkout page. I am going to allow customer to pay what they want. I will be adding this here, like minimum price would be $5. They can pay more than 5 years. You can add versions here, like you can add one version with only PDF file, and in in the second version you can also include the source file. You will also have settings, limit product sales. If you want to sell a set limit of products, you can set here, like you only want to sell 50 copies, then you can add here. This is totally optional. Allow customer to choose a quantity. If your product has a quantity, you can enable this. Publicly show the number of sales on your product page, you can enable this. Then there is the refund policy and required shipping information. These are for physical items only. If you want a refund policy, you can set here. You can also disallow the refunds, set no refunds. You can write your custom refund policy here as well. Once you are happy with these settings, you can click save and continue. Here you need to upload your interior file you are selling. So click on upload here and then computer files. If you only want to sell this PDF, you can select this one. If you want to sell this PowerPoint file, you can sell this one, or you can combine them both into a zip folder. You can upload a zip folder, or you can even upload these one by one. Like I'm going to upload this one as PDF. This would be my PDF. Then I can go computer files again. Then I can upload the PowerPoint file. You can go here and write any description if you want to. You can also stamp your PDF with the buyer information if you want to. This would only apply if you are selling PDFs. You can also add pages, write text here, any additional information the customer must know after purchase. Then you can go to receipt. Here you can add custom message here on the receipt page. Once you are happy with these details, click on save changes, then publish and continue. Now your very first digital product is live on Gumroad. You can click here preview. It will open in a new tab. You can see the URL here. Name a fair price 4 plus. Due to purchase parity, it is showing $4 instead of $5. If you want your product to appear on Gumroad Discover, you can select a category. You can type any keyword here. Under the category section, I just type templates, graphic templates, and then here you can add different tags like KDP interior product. You should add tags related to your product. I would add PowerPoint here, instant download, digital file or digital download. You can enable display your products 1 to 5 star rating to prospective customer. Click on save changes. Then you have a share button and you can share this product on Twitter, on Facebook. You can also copy URL and share with your audience. So this is how you can create and sell digital products on Gumroad. If you have questions, do let me know in the comment section. I am happy to answer that. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.